Say hello to Echo Show 5. It connects to Alexa to show you rich visuals with crisp room-filling sound. Listen to your favorite music from all your favorite places. Manage compatible smart home devices with the Echo Show 5. And with Alexa routines, just ask Alexa to turn on the lights, switch on the geyser and more with a single command. Echo Show 5 can stream your favorite music videos, movie trailers and how-to videos. It can also help you with the latest cricket score or the news. Ask Alexa to help you manage your day by setting reminders, adding things to your shopping cart and more. Alexa, remind me about yoga class at 4 p.m.
Setting a reminder for yoga class at 4 p.m.
Call your Alexa contacts and Skype contacts like your friend Sanjay.
Calling Sanjay.
Hey you can instantly connect to another device with drop-in. Alexa, drop in on Dad. Hi Pa. It can check in on your little human like this. Alexa, show me the kids' room. Best of all, Echo Show 5 and Alexa are always getting smarter and adding new features and skills. Echo Show 5 from Amazon.
Say hello to Echo Dot, a compact speaker that's controlled by your voice and Alexa. It's got a new look and a new speaker with improved sound. It's designed to fit almost anywhere, like your bedroom, the kitchen, or your desk, and can play all your favorite music from all your favorite places. Alexa, play music for studying.
Here's a station you might like.
Alexa, start my day. With Alexa routines, it's easy to turn on the lights, turn up the heat, and more with a single command. Alexa can also check your schedule, get you caught up, and keep dinner on track. Alexa, set a pasta timer for 12 minutes.
Pasta timer for 12 minutes, starting now.
Best of all, Echo Dot and Alexa are always getting smarter and adding new features and skills. Echo Dot from Amazon.
Meet the all-new Kindle Paperwhite, our thinnest, lightest yet. Now waterproof, with Audible, plus a sleek, modern design and twice the storage. Kindle Paperwhite is purpose-built for daily escapes, so you can read and relax in more places.
Toward the snowy mountains and streams, though not one was in sight. The landscape is only wavering foothills, roughened here and there with bushes and trees.
It's time to start reimagining TV. Introducing Fire TV Cube, the first all-in-one streaming media player with hands-free Alexa built in. Now it's easy to do things like this.
Alexa, turn on the TV.
Fire TV Cube can hear you from across the room.
Alexa, play Sneaky Pete.
And with infrared technology, it's easier to control your entertainment hands-free.
Alexa, switch to cable.
Wait, what time was the game?
Alexa, tune to Fox.
We've partnered with Netflix, ESPN, Hulu, and others to let you do more simply by using your voice.
Alexa, rewind 30 seconds.
Alexa, next episode.
Plus, Fire TV Cube is always getting smarter.
Alexa, show my flash briefing.
So now it's easier to get more out of the biggest screen in your house.
Alexa, show me nearby restaurants.
Even when your TV is off, Alexa is ready to help.
Alexa, add Pinot Noir to my shopping list.
Okay, I've added it to your list.
And of course, you can still enjoy all the content you love.
Alexa, search for action movies.
Yes!
From HBO, Netflix, Hulu, Prime Video, and more. Fire TV Cube. Let's start reimagining TV.
Introducing the Fart Launcher 3000! Wreak havoc by launching real fart smells. Load the canister, pull back, and let her rip! Oh, this can really clear a room! And be sure to collect the all-new Buttheads figures with signature farts. King Butt. Bubble! You're ain't it? Sir, that's a lot. Available now! Fart Blaster and Buttheads figures sold separately. New from Wowie.
Dyson Aerodynamics engineers have developed Dyson Core Flow technology. It occurs when high-velocity air jets are propelled over a convex dome. As the jets converge, a high-pressure core forms. Forced to steer around it, the air coalesces into a focused flow. To cool you, with a focused stream of purified air, precisely where you need it.